Hello everybody, welcome to New System Test 1. I know I have way too many videos on this channel. It's called New System Test 1, but I'm pretty confident that this is one that isn't going to change much. So System Test 1, as you can see, I've gotten a fire alarm panel since my Simplex 4006 broke a while ago, and I got this one. This one's the easiest thing to figure out. This is a Fire-Lite MS4. The person who sold it to me thought there was something wrong with it, but there is nothing at all wrong with it. I got it for $125, which is crazy deal. They're usually $600, I would say. And yeah, it's crazy. So again, the panel is a Fire-Lite MS4, and our devices so far, there is a Fire-Lite BG-12L for our Zone 1 pull station, and for our first notification device on the system. In this room, we have a System Sensor SR remote strobe. I don't have smoke detectors up yet. I might at some point. And yeah, you might have to wait for that if I do. If we go out here, in the hallway we have a Notifier NBG-12L, and it goes up to a System Sensor P2R. If we follow this over here, in the bathroom we have a System Sensor Spectre Alert remote strobe. This is I think it's an S24110, something like that, but it's a Spectre Alert. And if we go over to here, I was originally going to have a System Sensor P2WL, but I just have temporarily a System Sensor Spectre Alert in here. I think the model of this is a System Sensor S1224 MCPW. So I think that's what that one is. It looks pretty nice in here, I'd say. I might get a skirt for it at some point. Now, the last device on this system is a System Sensor P2R Spectre Alert Advanced horn strobe. This is on medium. The other one is on, the other P2RL is on low volume. This one's on medium because it's a pretty big room. And the pull station, which is not hooked up yet, I need to get more wires because I'm basically out already. So this should be wired up soon, Zone 3. So since this one's not hooked up, I can actually just pull that one without it doing anything. This is a Silent Knight IDP-PULL-SA, I think, but I put a VG12 back on it because the original one's addressable and I can't use an addressable one. So I think we can start this system in this room. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here so that I can acknowledge fast because the beeping's really annoying. So 3, 2, 1. all the strobes are synced together. Pretty bright strobe. Oh. I could have sworn this was 110. Maybe not. 1075? Huh. Thought it was 110. So it's an S24 1575, I guess. This one's really not bright at all. One in the garage is it's pretty loud. And we have audible silence. I did this over the course of 3 days by myself, and I'm pretty proud of how everything turned out. This is ugly though, but nobody comes in here anyway. So strobes are going. I might end up making this one 30 candela or 75 just because it's like a bigger room. And the strobe really only goes out to that wall. Nothing really there. I don't know, maybe. And I made this so that the wire can still go through without anything, without making the door not be able to close or without the wire getting damaged. I had to take this part off, and yeah. I mean, the wire mold doesn't look that bad for the most part. I think it looks fine. This part's ugly, I'm gonna need to fix that. But I think everything else looks fine. So I'm gonna reset this, and then I'll go pull the notifier one. Now I have 2 zone troubles and a NAC fault for some reason. If anybody knows why, can you tell me? I have both NACs together and I have resistors on both of the end of lines. I don't know. At some point we'll get both of those hooked up. I do not know how to set up a supervisory. I really wish I did. It'd be so cool. So let's go pull. Let's go pull the NBG-12L. Push in, pull down. Hey, it's me. You can hear the strobe, it's pretty loud. Clicking away. What the hell was that? Okay. then again, all of them should be working. Now, the cool thing about Audible silence is when one pull station is pulled and the alarms are silenced, if you go ahead and pull a different pull station, not that same one, the alarms turn back on because it sets off a different zone. So both zones are set off. Don't have troubles on either one. Still don't know why I have a neck fault. I'm gonna get batteries at some point. This is all just labels and resistors and a Spectre alert removal tool and a call point key for some reason. And all my other keys in the battery thing. At some point, I can actually get exit signs for pretty cheap at Home Depot. I think I'm gonna put, once I have enough, I'm gonna put one here first. You know, where I'm not gonna put one up on the ceiling because the door's gonna hit it. I might put one there. I wanna get the black one with the green with the green exit, I like that. Or I get the white one, I don't really know, whatever my parents would like more. I mean, I like the black, but this is my parents' house. Now, I doubt this, but at some point I might expand it to upstairs. So if I do that upstairs, the hallway and the bedrooms would have low frequency sounders, and the kitchen and living room would have horn strobes. The living room might not, and the bathroom would obviously have a strobe. This one was originally gonna go in that bathroom, but I have a friend who really likes Spectre alerts, so I just put that one in there for him. So yeah, I'm gonna put smoke detectors up at some point. I don't think I'll have one in here. I think the only ones I'll have, one next to this kiddo smoke alarm and one in the garage. There's a certain spot. There's already a detective base there, I think, but I think it's a smoke alarm base. Yeah, right here. It would just come over here. Cool, if this thing was connected, it will be at some point soon. Bury him again. I like the way this thing looks, honestly. It looks nice up against the white frame. I think the wire mold here looks nice. If you don't know that it's there already, I don't think you really notice it. Oh well, on camera it's different in person. This actually can't hook up, this can't attach to anything because this is a popcorn ceiling and that's supposed to stick. So, just gotta hope it doesn't fall. I mean, it shouldn't. I had to fix this myself. They don't really make T connectors in this size, so I took one of those. I have them somewhere. My mind's blanking. Yeah, one of these. I might do wheel lock next time I change them out. I don't know. I took one of these, drilled a hole, and yeah, I mean, I don't think it looks horrible. And yeah, that's it for now. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new system. I am proud of it. I enjoyed doing it. At least some of it. Wiring the panel was easy, but getting all the wires in the wire mold was kind of annoying. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to comment, if it lets me, YouTube shuts off my comments even though I'm old enough to have comments. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.